Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something super exciting lined up for you. You love miniature collectibles, then you're in for a treat. We're unboxing the Zuru Foodie Mini Brands capsule. Let's dive right in. Here it is, the Zuru Foodie Mini Brands capsule. Look at how adorable it is. For those who don't know, mini brands are these tiny, detailed replicas of real-life food items. Alright, let's get to the fun part, unboxing. Starts unwrapping the capsule. As you can see, there are several layers of plastic, which builds the anticipation even more. Almost there. Look at this. The capsule opens up like an orange, with 5 separate compartments. Each compartment contains a surprise mini brand.
Let's see what's in our first compartment. Oh wow, it's a Jack in the Box burger. Look at the details. It's just like the real thing, only tiny. The print is very clear and there is some note on the back. I see it says, "Home of breakfast served all day." Now, for the second compartment. It's a mini Detroit pizza box. Look at this, it even has a pizza inside. The box has all the details of a real pizza box. It feels a little stuck, and it's quite difficult to open. I can't open the pizza box without a tool. It looks just like real Detroit pizza. On to the fourth one. Here we have a mini cinnamon rolls. This looks so real. I almost want to eat it. The wrapper is so detailed, you can even see the crinkles. Here are the last two items. Which of these would I choose? Alright, I would choose this. Alright, let's open this up and see what we've got. The packaging is so cute, and it's got that iconic Subway branding. Okay, here we go. Look at that. We have the mini soda. It's so detailed, even the little label looks just like the real thing. And now, the final compartment. I feel this is like a square box. Alright, let's open and see what we've got inside. The packaging already has that Jack-in-the-Box vibe, simple, yet iconic. I'm really excited to see these mini tacos. The Zuru Foodie Mini Brands capsule is an absolute delight. The level of detail in these miniatures is truly impressive. If you're a collector or just love tiny things, this is definitely something you should check out. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun unboxings and reviews. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.